Hey, morning, Trish. Trish has just walked into the studio with a massive python. Oh my God, look at the size of that thing. How you going?
Yeah, I'm great, thank you.
You look beautiful
Glad to
today.
be here. Paigey, I love you. Matty, you're right. You breathing?
Well,
Maddie's in the corner.
He's
not going well.
He's not in the fetal position yet, which I half expected.
Is that a venomous?
look at it.
It's venomous. It's actually venomous. I said, I said you didn't need to bring a venomous one in. Just a little tiny snake would terrify him.
It's so shiny and new looking.
Reptile park.
And they feel amazing, Matt.
Cobber's
Have
not
a
happy.
field
We
run.
promised him it wasn't happening.
Matty, you're not talking at all.
It's a king brown. Isn't it, guys?
Oh
And
my
Zach's
God.
got it in his hand.
Jesus
Zach,
Christ.
is
That's
that,
right.
is that how venomous is it?
So this is the 15th most toxic snake in the world.
Yeah.
So definitely nothing to gawk about.
Yeah.
The only thing I'm worried about is Maddie picking up a chair and breaking the glass of the studio
get
because at the
out.
moment the snake is
Is
blocking
he
the door.
gonna pass out?
You don't look far off.
No. He's sliding down the wall.
Look at that look he's giving you, Trish. The look
I
of
know.
love.
I know. That's like when.
It's going out.
All right.
Wow.
See you, Zach.
Oh, bye.
In all seriousness, that's really mean, Trish, because look at him.
Mate.
He can hardly talk. He can hardly stand up. He's
I know.
petrified.
He's been thinking of something all morning.
Yeah.
His
You're gonna
tummy.
be-
Oh, look at the size
You gonna
of
be
the...
smart anymore, mate?
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, look at it. Hey, look at him.
Okay, the snake's
I think
escaped.
you're gonna have to get a snake at home.
Oh, Zach's let it go in the head.
Oh,
He's trying to
mate.
put it back in the bag. Oh.
The Grill Team, Gus, MG, and Matty Johns.